Hey guys, so today I'm going to take you through how you can actually set up this printer to your Wi-Fi network so that any device on the network, being a smartphone or laptop or desktop, can print from the same printer. So this is going to be an easy step. So first, I'm going to do the setup on my mobile phone, and then we are going to do that on uh, the laptop as well. So this printer is LaserJet M178NW. So let me take you through some few things. This is the power button here. This is the cancel button. This is the colored black, and this is the control. This is the indication light. Okay, and this is the Wi-Fi sign there. That's what we are going to use now. As you can see, the printer is ready, and then so guys, let's go ahead. Okay, so well, as you can see, I've loaded the printer with the paper. So as you can see down there, the paper tray has papers inside. Yeah, and this and the front panel there houses the toners. So as you can see, yeah, there's the toners there. So yeah, everything is set and ready to go. So now that our Wi-Fi is on, all we have to do is go ahead and then, as you can see, our Wi-Fi sign is blinking there. That means it's ready to connect. So what we will do now is we will have to grab. You have to go to Play Store on your phone first and download HP Smart app. As you can see, I've already downloaded that. So you have to open it straight away. If you don't have it, go to Play Store and download HP Smart app. Open it. This is how the interface will look like. So for the first time, uh, you have to go through some few process and you'll be going to go. So first, agree to these terms and conditions here. Yeah, and then this process is quite very easy, guys. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, this is some of the things I do, more of tech videos. So yeah, so go ahead and click on skip for now. Okay, so you just skip this process for now. So guys, this is the interface of the HP Smart app. Okay, so for the first time, you might want to click on the add your first printer. Yeah. Okay, and then we will have click on the get started. We want to add it to the Wi-Fi network, so we click on the Wi-Fi, and then we click on next, and then what we will do, we click on continue, click on OK to ask for your location, so grant that access. And as you can see, that is the printer, the LaserJet M178. As you can see, the same printer. So we have seen the printer on our phone. We just have to click on it to connect. So you click on it and it will ask of our Wi-Fi password in order to link the printer to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so you have to enter the password and then click on continue. So to finding the printer found, preparing the printer. Okay, so guys, it's going to take a few minutes to get this done. So you have to be a little bit patient, but it's very super easy when doing this. Okay, yeah. So it's preparing the printer now. Printer is prepared, IP address obtained, and then now we are ready. So we just have to click on continue. As you can see, printer connected to Wi-Fi. So click on the continue and contact. To just checking your printer status and all stuff. Yeah. So yeah, just accept all that. Okay, and then they will ask you for some update and stuff. Just I'll just select the notify and then click on apply. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, so I'll just skip printing for now and I'll click on not now. Okay, so yeah. So guys, that's it. We are done. That's our printer there, and can even check the ink level from this side. Okay, so now we are done. Everything is ready. Printer is set to print. So for example, now I'll want to print something from my phone. Okay, so that you so I'll just go to my notepad and then I'll click on these ideas, some TikTok ideas that I jot down. So I want to print this one. So down there you see, depending on the kind of phone that you are using, you definitely see a print on whether down or top. So my phone, I have the print down here, so I'll go ahead and click on the print. Okay, and then I'll click on the top down, top there, you see the, and then I will select the printer. As you can see, that's the, yeah, that's this one here. So and then I'll just have to click on the print, and that's it. And the printer should start printing the document from my phone right away. So let's guys, let's see. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's a very new channel, so your support will be very much appreciated. Yeah. Okay, so waiting for the printer to process. As you can see, yeah, it's done printing. Yeah, TikTok ideas. Yeah, that's great. Now we know that we've succeeded with printing with our phone. Connecting to our phone is very successful. Now let's proceed to doing it on your laptop or computer. So it's easy. All you have to do is just open your Word document or anything that you want to print. Okay. So in my case, I'll just write anything at all. So maybe I'll write testing printer. Okay. So I'll just write testing printer. Yeah. Yeah. So and I'll go ahead and print this one. So I'll just click on the file, go to print. Okay. And then for the first time you see that the printer is not here, but in order to find the printer we just click on the add printer. Okay, to take it to our add printer, and then we go ahead and click on the add printer, so it will search for any available printer that is on the network. But bear in mind, this printer have to be connected to the same network in order for you to find the printer. Okay, so make sure your printer is connected to the network that you add the printer to. Okay, so now we've added the printer, is connecting. So it's connecting and it should be, it's loading now. And guys, as you can see, it's connected and it says ready to print. Yeah, that's super easy, right? So we just have to leave here and then we try and print this document again. Go to print and then we select the printer. So as you can see here, the printer is there. Okay, we select it, so it's there and it's ready to print. So we go ahead and select the printer and then we hit the print to continue. That's very easy. So guys, this is how simple you can actually set up your Wi-Fi printer to your Wi-Fi network, so that anybody on the network, being a phone or a computer, can print from the same network because it's connected to the same network. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section what else you guys want me to do again. I enjoy doing videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video so that a lot of people can see this video. Thank you, and I hope this video helped you a lot. Goodbye.